It's Miss Kita, baby. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show you how to take your leftover plain white rice and turn it into some good old Chinese fried rice. Okay, if you are new to my channel, please click that subscribe button. Everybody else, don't forget to click the like button, comment, and share this video. All right, y'all, so this is what we're working with. I went ahead and made the white rice. You could either, it could be a day old, or you can make it hours and hours and hours before you cook it, put it in the fridge, let it get cold. Okay, all right, now I got my green peas, my eggs, my green onion, my white onion, my garlic, my shrimp, my soy sauce, less sodium, sesame oil, and hoisin sauce. Okay, tip number one, when making fried rice, you want to cook it on high heat. Okay, that will prevent the rice from getting mushy. So I'm starting out with my shrimp. I'm going to saute those on 2 to 3 minutes on each side in a skillet. Take them out when they're done, add a little bit more oil, get it nice and hot. Now I'm going to add my eggs. The eggs are going to scramble, fry and scramble, and it's going to get up all that leftover seasoning that the shrimp left into the skillet. Once that's done, I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to add my onions, my white onions, my green onions. I'm going to go ahead and cook those down till they're nice and soft. Hit them with a little bit of salt and pepper. You don't want to over season it because we are working with soy sauce and hoisin sauce, and those two things are salty. Okay, all right, now that that's nice and soft, I'm going to go ahead and add my fresh garlic. If you have ginger, go ahead and add your ginger. I do not have any ginger, so this is what I'm working with. Okay, cook that just for a quick minute because you don't want to burn the garlic. Remove it out the skillet. Now we're going to add in our rice, the star of the dish, y'all. Okay, break your rice down. Go ahead and add your soy sauce to help break it down, make it a little bit easier to break it down. And then you're going to just add everything back in. Okay, basically going to stir that up, get a nice color to it. I'm going to add a tablespoon of my hoisin sauce, and then I'm going to drizzle a little bit of sesame oil, get everything mixed up and well incorporated, and that is pretty much it, y'all. Once it's well incorporated, go ahead and add your shrimp back to the skillet, back to the skillet. Top it off with some green onions. Okay, what do they say? What's the proper term? Garnish. We're going to garnish it with the green onion. All right, y'all, and that is pretty much it. An easy, quick, and simple meal or side dish, whatever you want to do with it. Okay, again, subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. If you are already subscribed, I want to thank y'all for y'all support. Go ahead and click that like button, which is your thumbs up button for the people in the back. Don't forget to comment, like, and share, y'all. Okay, I hope y'all enjoy. It's a wrap.